Meanwhile, it's been a day of reckoning for small businesses in Mumbai with the government's efforts to bring undisclosed income to light under the income declaration scheme not paying off. Flash IT raids took place this evening at several lighting and jewellery shops, eateries and small builders all over Mumbai. Farah Bukwala joins us now from one such location. So, Farah, raids being conducted across large areas of Mumbai today?
So I'm in Mumbai's Lohar Chawl, which is the market for lighting equipment and accessories. And this is in fact one of the locations where income tax raids have taken place since this evening. Now, as you can see right behind me, that's Mark Lighthouse. And that is in fact one of the shops where income tax raids have taken place since this afternoon. Even as we speak, the owners are inside submitting documents to the tax officers who came in at about 4 p.m. Behind me is another shop called Alpha Light, where also officers came in at about 4 to 5 p.m. and have been scrutinizing documents, and we in fact saw the proceedings as we went closer to the shop. Now, such raids have taken place all over Lohar Chawl. We've been told that nearly 8 to 9 shops in every lane have been targeted today. So clearly, this is a big operation that took place today, and this is really the government's effort to unearth undisclosed income by these cash-rich businesses. And this is really in the light of the fact that the government's income declaration scheme has not really worked. Now, adjacent to this is Mumbai's iconic Zaveri Bazaar, which is the market for jewellery, where we are being told that nearly 50 shops were raided today. Now, we are being told that the whole of Mumbai has been divided into 12 zones, with 12 IT commissioners being given specific targets, with each commissioner being told that the smallest zone target is set at about 200 crore rupees. So really, that's the scale of this entire operation, which is not just restricted to Lohar Chawl and Zaveri Bazaar, but has gone all over to Borivali as well as at Ghatkopar. Now, what I also understand is that this is not just restricted to Mumbai, it is all over Maharashtra as well. Nearly 150 shops today and 100 builders saw such similar raids taking place, with also incidences being reported in Chennai, with income tax officers raiding some big jewellery shops back in Chennai. So really, that is the scale of this particular operation. Back to you.
Well, thanks very much for that, Farah, bringing us that ground report from Mumbai.